Hello guys, today we will learn how to use the Teachment app for the teachers. Now we have to open the Play Store and install the search for Teachment app and install it. I had already installed, hence I will open it. And when you open it, comes interface like this. You have to select your language and then continue. Next we have to enter your mobile number. You will receive an OTP. You have to type it and continue. Now you will get an interface like this. You have to give your classroom name. For example, I will give name. I will take as base subject name. I will take as computer science. Classroom type I will select as school or college, and then you have to continue. You will get interface like this. You have to invite the student by clicking invite the student. You may share by WhatsApp or classroom. I will share by WhatsApp. I'll send it. My student joined by using the link. If you want to allow him, you have to go for the student tab. Then if you want to allow him, you have to check on the green mark. Otherwise you have to check on the cross mark. Here you want to add timetable, means you have to add that you have to add timetable. For example, you have to take a class Monday from time to 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Similarly, next you want to Tuesday, similarly 9 Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday not there. You have to leave it. Click on update classroom. And about teacher, you want may add here. For example, I will type as MSc in computer. Then you have to save it. If you want to write something about the classroom, you may write it here. Then you have to click on the save. I will ignore it. Now for the enroll student, you may go to the student tab and you will get the enroll student. In the chat tab, you will get the chat history. In the notice, for the add a notice, I will for example I will add a notice as tomorrow is exam.
Tomorrow is exam. If you
want to add the attachment to it, you may click on the attachment. It will ask for permission. You have to allow it. And if you want to add the image, you have to click on the image. If I want to add the PDF, I will click on the PDF. Choose your file and click on the save and create. It will upload. Do the assignment using the assignment tab. You have to click on create assignment. You have to enter a topic, example Java. You have to enter the submission date, submission time and marks. You have to, if you want to attach the file, you may attach here and save and create. If you want to edit anything in the assignment, you may edit here by clicking this edit here. If you want to view the submitted assignments, you may view here. If you want to add the instrumental, you may add here. You may share the video, YouTube video here, and images here, and documents here. I will share a document. For example, add a document. It notes I will take as a first unit. First unit digital data description as Java. I will add attachment and save and create. It is shown uploading. Take a live class. Then you have to come for summary and go to live class. If you want to start the class, go to the live. Here you can turn and turn off the mic. You can turn and turn off the video. Here the options are there. Here you can record the class. Here are the quality of the video: high, low and medium. You select according to your net speed. If you want to share anything, you want to click here. Here are the options are there: share screen, share photo, share PDF. If you want to share the screen, you want to click here, share the photo, click here, and share the PDF. You want to click here. You want to share the whiteboard. If you want to write anything, you have to click on the share whiteboard. If you want to write anything, choose the pen option. It will come like a blue color. Write it in. Yes, blue. You want to erase it, click on the eraser and erase it. We'll write as I want to erase it completely without using eraser. Here is the more option is there. You want to click on the clear option and click on delete. It will goes on complete. Here is the undo and redo option is there. And to highlight the text. You want to use using the highlighter. If you want to change the color, you want to go more option and click on colors. Choose your color. Clear it. Want to write the text, you may write here. And then if you want to close the whiteboard, you can close by clicking into mark. The chart option. If you want to end the classroom, you have to click on the end option. Will understand the how to use the teachment of in a easy way. If you have any doubt, comment me. Follow me in Instagram as One Simple Science. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.